first-time buyer discount. The trick here is to attract new customers and expand the customer base by offering a discount, an extra service, a gift, or free shipping on the first purchase. The goal is to grow the company's clientele. Free shipping. This tactic aims to make the shopping process more appealing by eliminating the need to pay for shipping. Though the cost of shipping might be included in the price of the product, this detail is often omitted. Buy one, get one. This strategy encourages customers to buy something they might not need. It's also a way for companies to boost sales of underperforming products and increase their average sales value. Limited quantity. This approach creates a sense of urgency, pushing customers to make a purchase quickly by giving the illusion that the product will soon be out of stock, which is often not true. Time-sensitive discounts. A marketing ploy that encourages customers to shop during specific hours or days of the week when demand is lower, creating a sense of urgency. Discount with expiration date. Appears as a regular discount on a product, but in reality, it has an expiration date, or the product may soon lose its quality. Seasonal promotions and special offers. This tactic involves promoting certain seasonal products during periods of high demand to further stimulate sales. Referral rewards. If a customer brings in a new client, they receive a reward after the newcomer's first purchase. This motivates customers to attract more clients, thereby expanding the company's customer base. Competitions and prize giveaways. Encourages customers to perform certain actions or purchase specific products for a chance to win rewards. The company's profit from this significantly outweighs the cost of the rewards. Gift cards and certificates. Allows customers to give flexible gifts. However, there's an important detail. These certificates often have an expiration date, which is highly beneficial for companies. Brand ambassadors and influencers. Using a well-known personality to draw attention to a specific product or brand. Often, these individuals may not be familiar with the product or have never used it. Limited offers for specific groups. The goal here is to target certain customer groups and simultaneously enhance the company's reputation and respect. Free samples. Convinces potential customers to make a purchase after trying a free sample using the halfway deal method. Free additional services and products. Attracts potential customers' attention to a specific product with a free gift in the form of a service or another product. The catch is that the promotion applies to products with poor sales, or the cost of the gift is included in the product's price. Price match guarantee. Promises customers that if they find the same product cheaper elsewhere, the company will lower their price. This is a psychological trick, as only a few customers will check this, but the bold statement encourages trust and purchasing. Product recommendations. When buying a certain type of product, customers are encouraged to buy other items from the same category. For example, customers who bought this item also bought this. It creates a sense of incomplete purchase in the buyer. Category bundle offers a reward or discount when customers buy a complete set of products from a certain category. This tactic allows the company to increase the average purchase value of a customer. Birthday special offer. Includes a special offer or discount for the customer on their birthday, enhancing the company's status and customer base. Wholesale purchase. Offers a discount when purchasing a large quantity of products, with the discount increasing with the number of items bought. This strategy significantly raises the average purchase value. Off-season discount provides customers with discounts on products that are currently out of season and not in demand, helping companies clear out old stock. Action-based discounts and promo codes. Offers customers discounts or promo codes in exchange for certain activities. The aim is to increase customer engagement and brand involvement. Return and exchange guarantee. Gives customers the option to return or exchange an item if they're not satisfied. The trick is not only in encouraging the customer to make a purchase, but also in the fine print of the purchase agreement, which often states non-returnable or exchangeable if opened. Discount for next purchase provides the customer with a discount on their next purchase. This marketing tactic psychologically motivates the customer to make a purchase sooner and buy more. That was a rundown of all the marketing tricks. If you're interested in more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.